Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Monday.com tutorial for beginners. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're looking for a CRM software, Monday.com is now leading all-in-one project management. So you'll just have to click the link below in the description to sign up for free today. But before we dive into the step-by-step guide onto using Monday.com, let's understand first what Monday.com is. So this is actually a versatile and user-friendly project management platform designed to help teams plan, organize, and track work efficiently. So it is used by businesses of all sizes and industries to streamline project management, collaboration, and workflow automation. So this offers a visual and intuitive interface, making it accessible for beginners and powerful enough for advanced project management needs. So it is a great tool for creating project boards, managing tasks, and collaborating with your team. And this is also good for monitoring your progress. So as you can see in here, this is Monday.com story. They are built for scale. So as you can see, here are their numbers, the number of their employee, customers using Monday.com, people feel happier using Monday.com, and Llama widgets created. So these are the culture and values that they have: transparency and trust, ownership and impact, speed and execution. We also have in here product first, inclusivity, custom creativity, and together they can impact how teams work across the globe. So for you to be able to get started onto using this, you'll just have to click onto the Get Started button to create an account. Now getting started onto Monday.com or creating an account is completely free. You don't need any credit card for that. So you could just continue with Google in here or type in your email and click on to continue. So by proceeding, you should agree to the terms of service and privacy policy for that. And if you have an account already, just simply click onto login. And let's click onto that. Usually what I try to do in here is I'll just have to try to integrate any website to my Google account so that I don't have to type in the email or password. I'll just go directly and click onto the Google account that I want to use. So you could just also add in your work email address in here, and let's click onto that to continue. And right after, you'll get redirected here onto the dashboard. So here onto the dashboard, you should be able to see the recently visited things that you have onto your account. So you could see the different projects that I have opened, also the update feed in here or inbox, and my workspaces. So I have 5 workspaces as of the moment right now. Here onto the right side, you should be able to see the help button into building your workflow to boost your workflow in minutes. So you could explore some templates and learn and get inspired. So you could see the getting started in here, learn how Monday.com works, the help center to learn and get support, and join a webinar to watch a live walkthrough on how to use this. Now here onto the left side, you should be able to see your home. So this is the home one. You could also see the different works that you have. So onto the My Work in here, it would be easier for you to view the different tasks that you have onto your account. So this is actually more like just an organized view onto your work so that it would be easier for you to see what should be done next. Now, as you can see, here are the different things that I have onto my work. So these are the things that are past a date, today, or this week, next week, later, and without a date. Now let's head back here. So here you could choose a different workspace that you have, and here are the different boards that you have onto the workspace. Let's try to learn onto the things here onto the upper part first. So this one, these are actually the installed products that you have onto your Monday.com. So you could explore more products that are offered by Monday so that you could go ahead and use that. But as of the moment, we're currently using the work management. So this is manage any kind of works from task to complex projects in one place. You could also click onto see plans in here to view the different plans that Monday.com offers. So we're currently using a free trial, and you have the basic in here for $8, standard for $10, which is most popular, the pro, which is a current trial, $16, and the enterprise for teams, businesses, and organization. Now if you scroll down in here, you should be able to see the different features that it offers. So you could also compare the plans and features in here, and you'll just have to scroll down in here to learn more about it. So you'll just have to browse through that so that if you find something that you like, you could go ahead and try to click onto those different plans. Now right after, you'll just have to see your notifications here onto the upper part, your inbox, the invite members, the different apps that you have, the search everything, and the help section. And this is where you could see your account settings. Here onto the account settings, you could see the profile, import data, integrations, developers, trash, archive, administration, teams, log out, and you could switch to different accounts. So you could also explore in here the app marketplace, mobile app, Monday.Lives, shortcut, invite members, get help, and you could also change the themes to light, dark, night, and system default. You could also see the working status in here. You could add its do not disturb so that notifications and inbox will be silenced. So you could turn that one on or off. And here onto the more, you could choose from the different things in here as well. Now, let's get started also onto creating a workspace. Now let's just walk through creating a new workspace. Click onto this one and here this arrow, then add in a new workspace. So think of a workspace as a container for your project. So you'll just have to add in here the name of your workspace, the privacy to this you could choose to open and close for that, and just click onto add workspace. Now once you've successfully created your workspace, here onto this part, you could go ahead and try to change the cover that you have in here, add in or rename the workspace and add in a description. So let's add this is my workspace. Now right after that, here actually onto the three dots, you could rename this and delete this workspace. You could see the recent ports in here, members and permission. Now inside the workspace, you should create a project board. So this is where you'll manage a specific project or workflow. Since we don't have a specific board in here, you could add in a board here by clicking onto add item to your workspace and click onto new board. So you could add in also documents, new dashboard, choose from the templates, import data, apps, also new form, a new folder. So that it would be easier, let's just go ahead and start from a template in here. So using some templates would be really easier since it has a flow already. You'll just have to rename it or adjust it to make it your own. So as you can see, you could choose from the different things that you want to do in here. So you could start from scratch. You could do marketing, content production, project management, documents, forms, sales, freelancers, and designs. You can see the all templates in here. So these are actually the recommended one for you and the templates created onto your account. So you could utilize the search bar to search easily for the things that you're looking for. But let's just try to do project management in here. Let's click onto that. And these are the different templates that are under project management. So we have your multi-project, agile project management, risk register, Jira issues, and many more. So for us to be able to get started, we'll try to choose this agile project management. We'll just have to click onto this and you should be able also to see the description onto that template. So you could see a quick overview onto what it should look like. And for you to be able to get started for this, you could just go ahead and click onto this arrow to have this onto your new workspace or new workspace, or you could just simply click directly onto use template. So here onto the upper part, you could also give feedback onto this specific template. So let's just go ahead and try to use this template onto our workspace. Now, once you're already onto the template, you should be able to see the different views in here. So you can see it onto the main table in here. So this is onto the main view. We also have the Kanban in here. So let's click onto that to view it Kanban form. We have the current quarter and you can add in more views also in here to choose from. So just here onto the main table, let's focus on here. So you could see the different items in here, or you could change this to different tasks that are needed to do. So you could add in some items in here, change it to honor, the opportunity problem, and the priority of this task. So you could have it onto high, medium, or low. So these are the different groups in here. This is the certain board, and this Q1 initiatives, Q2 initiatives are the different groups inside your board. So there are two boards onto your workspace in here. So you could add in a new item by clicking onto this one as well. You could utilize the search bar to search for anything, filter by person, filter by anything, and you could sort also the column. So you could hide columns as well in here so that it would be easier for you to view this. Let's just leave this opportunity problems a priority and let's remove the other things in here. And as you can see, it would be much clearer and easier for you to locate the things that are needed to be done. So you could also integrate this with other apps in here. Just simply click onto integrate in here and the automate so that you could automate the workflow in here so that it would be easier for you to keep track onto them. You could also invite some team members in here to work for you. You could just enter their name or email in here so that they would be able to receive an email that you have invited them onto the specific project to help you out. And this one in here, the three dots, is the options. So these is the board options wherein you could choose the board power ups, notifications, permissions, the settings. You could see more actions in here such as save template, export board, import items, duplicate the board, and full screen it, the archive board. You could also delete the board, view archive and trash, and give feedback onto this specific board. So you could go ahead and make use onto the different options and things in here, or you could just go ahead and organize your task, create groups within the board. You may now explore the different advanced features so that you could be comfortable with the platform. This tutorial provides a solid foundation for beginners, but feel free to dig deeper into its capabilities as your project management needs evolve. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.